Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error on your PlayStation, an error occurred while connecting to Epic servers, please try again later with the error code ESP-DIST-001, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your PlayStation easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings here, and then once you're in your settings, then you're going to go into your network here, and then at the left area, you're going to go into settings, and then you want to come down here at the right area, you're going to select setup internet connection, and then you're going to select your network connection here, and here you're going to click the options key on your controller, and then you're going to go into advanced settings here, and once you're into advanced settings, you're going to come down and select DNS settings and make sure to set it as manual, and then you'll have your primary and secondary DNS options here. You're going to set the primary DNS as 1.1.1.1, and then you're going to go into secondary DNS. You're going to select it as 1.0.0.1, and then just click OK. And once you click OK, it will set your DNS to that Cloudflare DNS. And now when you try to connect to Fortnite and try to play the game, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.